In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories in Jira. Whether you're a seasoned Jira user or just getting started, categorizing projects can be a game changer in managing your workflow efficiently. Let's dive right in and explore how to do this step by step. First things first, to begin adding categories, look up to the top right corner of your Jira dashboard. There, you'll notice a gear icon which signifies settings. Go ahead and click on it. Doing this will bring up a drop-down menu where you'll need to select the projects option. This action essentially takes us into the realm where we can manage various aspects of our projects. As we proceed, direct your attention to the left hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu there. What we're interested in is the project categories option. Click on it. By navigating to this section, we're taking a crucial step in organizing our projects efficiently. While you're in the project categories, look for a section marked as Add New Project Category. This is where the magic happens. We're going to create a new category from scratch, tailored to suit our needs. Now it's time to get creative with the category details. Start by thinking about a meaningful name for your category. This could be something like marketing projects or development teams, depending on the nature of the projects you'll be grouping together. This naming process is vital, as a clear and descriptive name makes it easier to identify the type of projects that fall under this category at a glance. If you wish, you can also add a description to your category. While this step is optional, providing further details can be incredibly helpful, especially when sharing the workspace with a team. A thoughtful description offers context and can clarify the intent behind the category for everyone involved. Once you've settled on an appropriate name and possibly a description, you're ready to click Add. Doing so will create your new category, effectively adding another layer of organization to your projects in Jira. With our new category created, let's see how we can apply it to a project. Head back to your Jira homepage and select a project that you'd like to categorize. After selecting a project, locate the three dots next to your project's name and click them. This opens a menu where you'll want to choose Project Settings. In the Project Settings, focus on the left panel and find Details. Click on it. Within the Details section, there will be a drop-down menu associated with categories. Click this drop-down, and there you should see the new category we've just created. Selecting it associates your project with the category, thereby streamlining how you manage your projects based on the categories they fall into. Now you can appreciate how assigning projects to categories not only organizes your workflow but also enhances the clarity and focus of your team's efforts. Whether you're handling numerous projects or just a few, utilizing categories can significantly improve your project management strategy in Jira.